Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. The first thing, we put cosecant for the both sides. And this one you got about S. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one, that is about first the derivative of y, and we have negative cosecant of y, cotangent y. This one we have number 1. Later that we divide both sides by this one. Cosecant of y, that is about s. This one, that is about the square root of cotangent y square. Now we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. And this one, that is about s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.